Yes.
You are still on finasteride and minoxidil.
Correct. I'm very consistent with it now. I was not before. And then the second month, and then the 3.5 month, I was kind of slow down the fallout. Started falling out.
It's good. I mean, we expect with finasteride and minoxidil first to stop the hair loss. Then, if it's possible, after the 6th month until the 12th month, we see the improvement with the thickness.
Okay.
When those operations were done?
About 3 years ago.
3 years ago. All in the same time, or?
Not at the same time.
Let's talk about your expectations.
I can see through my scalp.
Yeah.
And it's like I can only comb my hair to the side.
Okay.
And I'm tired of putting too much pomade to
hide it.
Yeah, to hide it.
Okay. Well, here it looks good, maybe, but under the strong light or sun, it might look more. I can understand that. It's more with the crown,
right? And the vortex.
Scalp. Yeah. And it's probably diffusing to the frontal part, maybe. But still, hairline seems good.
Yeah, I would like to see if we can cover some of this because I'm starting to see it here.
Yeah.
And we have the best doctor in Istanbul drawn on my head.
Thank you. I think once we shave it, I will see other areas as well.
Of course.
Even though it looks like thick, when we shave it, we see some spots. We will implant on those areas as well.
Perfect. Hair clinic, getting my haircut that I haven't got in about 3 months, preparing for this journey of hair transplant through FUE, through Dr. Erdogan. And I'm excited because I'm tired of having a comb over all the time, and I'll be able to style my hair any way I want, go out back to the beach and just show my friends, hey, look, I'm 43 and I'm still rocking nice hair. So thanks to the team, I'm gonna trust the process at Smıle Hair Clinic.
So your scars are not too deep or not too fibrotic, which is good, which increase the chance of the growth rate of the grafts there. But I mean, overall, your tissue was good, I think. There was no problem because of your previous surgeries. Sometimes we see the elasticity, the laxity of the skin is not too great. It was comfortable for us to do the operation, do the incision part or implantation part. We fill all the gaps at the mid-scalp and in the crown area. In the hairline, we just fortify some areas. Our patient wants to make it a little bit front with the temple point design, so we increase the density there. There was already some hairs, but we still increase the density. Problem in the temple point design is usually if we can find the right selection of grafts for those areas, because we just want thin and single ones to create a natural look. Otherwise, it's very noticeable and it's very becoming unnatural at that part. So 250, we just did 500 for the temple point design. We just fortified the frontal part, and just after 4-5 centimeters from front till the crown area, we see the gaps because of the miniaturization, and we just increase the density of that part.
All right, so my procedure is now done. The pain was actually really minimal to none. The staff here is really, really professional. If you're thinking about doing it, make sure you do it, because if not, you're gonna regret it later on. It's gonna progress and you're gonna kick yourself. So make sure you get it done. Smıle Hair Clinic, one of the best clinics in Istanbul. Actually, the number one. And their crew is professional, organized, and they speak my language, so that made a big deal. Thank you, Smıle Hair Clinic. Look forward to getting a beard next year.
Donor area looks clean, no sign of infection, no discharge, okay? No active bleeding, that's really nice. You had some discharge from the back of the head, that's why it's slightly yellowish. I tried to clean it up as much as possible. But tomorrow, when we'll be doing the first wash for the donor area only, that's for the transplanted area, when doing the wash, do gentle rubbing and massage, okay? To remove dead tissues on the back. It may hurt a little bit, it's normal. In a couple of days, you will get used to this one, because if you don't remove the scabs that can build up again, okay? The healing will be delayed. You may have some pimples at the back. Okay.
Zero pain so far.
Yeah. It's we call it numb and dumb. Okay. Transplanted area looks good. All the grafts are in their places. Okay. No dislodgements. Most important, there is no color change. Okay. It means that the blood flow is in a good condition. That's the most crucial for us at this point. So far, so good. Nothing to be worried about. The only thing is that you have some swelling in the forehead. Whenever you have time and chance, like 4 to 5 times a day for like 3 to 5 minutes, do the gentle massage this way. Because you have the temple peaks rebuilt, okay? Be very careful. This is the direction.
Excellent.
Okay? Not like this, not very rapid. No, to the lower part. That's it. Okay?
Okay.
So far, so good. Nothing to be worried about. All is good. The only thing, avoid any traumas. Don't hit or bump your head anywhere. Okay? Good.
I'll be very careful with
Good.
that. Thank you.
Pleasure to meet you.
Likewise.
Cheers.
So at Smıle Hair Clinic, I was treated with a lot of respect, a lot of courtesy, and they understood my need and what I wanted. If I needed something changed, they gave me that option with their recommendations. So I like that a lot. And the procedure took me about 6 hours or so for 3,500 grafts. As a Hispanic male, I feel super content that I made this decision. I would recommend Smıle Hair Clinic to anyone that's looking to get hair follicles transferred, their FUE process, because from the start to the end, they make you feel like you're at home. Smıle Hair Clinic, trust the process all the way, 24/7. Jesse Alvarez.